Hi guys, welcome back to our channel, Sam the narrator. Today we'll read the poem written by Sarojini Naidu titled The Bird of Time. Before going into the poem, let's look at the background. The poem is published in 1912. The poem Bird of Time talks about time and describes its nature with reference to a bird. It is written in two stanzas of 9 lines each. So let's begin with the poem now. O bird of time, on your fruitful bough, what are the songs you sing? Song of the glory and gladness of life, of poignant sorrow and passionate strife, and the lighting joy of the spring. Of hope that soars for the years unborn, and faith that dreams of a tiring morn, the fragrant peace of the twilight's breath, and the mystic silence that men call death. O bird of time, say where did you learn the changing measures you sing, in blowing forest and breaking tides, in the happy laughter of newly made brides? At the nest of the newborn spring, in the dawn that thrills to a mother's prayer, at the night that shelters a heart's despair, in the sight of pity, the sob of hate, and the pride of soul that has conquered fate. Now let's discuss about the author, that is Sarojini Naidu. She was born on 13 February 1879 in Hyderabad and died on 2nd of March 1949 in Lucknow. She was among the first lady of Indian national freedom movement. It was only due to her efforts and her willpower she was able to become the first lady president of Indian National Congress. One most famous poem is In the Bazaars of Hyderabad. The poem is about the goods made in India and helps create awareness of the British dominance in Indian markets during the British rule. Thank you guys. Please subscribe to our channel to get recent updates.